Hey guys, welcome in this new video. I hope that all of you are doing great. So it's currently about 8 a.m. I just came outside to enjoy the view with a little coffee. That is what I do every morning, and that is kind of a ritual that I do before getting into the trading room and really, starting my day. Because I think that if you want, to have good results in your trading, and if you want to really make this happen, and be consistent, well, you need to keep life in perspective. And so that's what I want to talk about in this quick video. Keeping life in perspective, it's really important. A lot of people, especially during quarantine where everyone has a lot of time on their hands, a lot of people get caught up, into their trading. They always stick in front of the charts, always look at the price moving, and it just plays with their mindset. And over the time, it really, can create either frustration or anxiety or fear of missing out, or, all that kind of emotions that really play against you in trading. So it's really important, to just go outside, look at the view, and just, get a clear picture and remind yourself that at the end of the day, trading is not much, in life. It's just, one activity that you can do, but there's a lot of other things that are very important. So it's really important, to keep this perspective in your trading. And that's the reason I do this every morning. A lot of people think that being successful in trading is, about the strategy, or about, where you place your trade, or where you place your stop loss, and all of these things. And of course, that's important, right? But what is even more important than the technical aspects of things are everything related to that, right? And everything that goes around. So the mindset, the risk management, the perspective, the emotions, and all of these things. So I really suggest you guys that you take the time to work on these things. And so there's a lot of ways, that you could do this. You could, as I said, just go outside and reflect on life. Think about your vision, think about the future, your goals, what you want to accomplish. After that, something else that you could do as well is use visualization, right? And the power of positive thinking. You need to be positive in life and in your trading. And so everything, as I said, is kind of correlated. So if you have a good mindset in life to start with, right? If you are positive, if you are, looking forward to what's coming next, if you are ambitious, and all of these qualities that you could have, well, these qualities will reflect in your trading, and so they will be in alignment for your success. So you cannot, you cannot be negative, you cannot be pessimistic or whatever, and then expect to see good trading results. It just doesn't work like that, guys. Trading is really hard at the end of the day to succeed in. Not a lot of people will see, massive success. And so if you want to see massive success, well, you need, as I said, to develop this kind of, attitude toward lives and toward your trading as well. And so this will really impact your trading a lot more than what you can realize. You need to be happy looking at the chart. You need to be happy taking a loss. You need to be happy just following the process and going through it, and doing your analysis, and reading the news, understanding what's going on. You need to be happy doing all of these things. And so if you are, you will be in the better state of mind to see success. Now, when I say being happy, it doesn't mean to scream, and to just, jump all around and be crazy and all of that. No, it means, like, being happy means to be in a good state of mind, right? You need to be flowing through the markets, right? The markets are flowing, okay? And you need to be flowing with them. So it goes up, right? It goes down, it goes down. You flow with the market. It's a mindset thing, okay? You need to develop this kind of attitude where you are in the market. You are the market, okay? That's really important. You need to develop a relationship with the market, all right? And so a lot of people, it's so funny, in trading, a lot of people are acting like in real relationships, Oh my God, that was a B. Sorry, guys. So a lot of people are acting like if it was a relationship. So let me explain to you guys what I mean by that. When most people get into a relationship, if everything is going well, they are happy, right? So their significant other is happy, they're having great times together and all of that, so the relationship is healthy and they are happy. But when something bad happens, what most people do is they go away from the relationship, right? They either break up or they become distant and all of these things, instead of trying to find a point of, that they could just argue both sides, and that they could just fix the situation and move on from there. So a lot of people just go away. And so a lot of people do this in their trading. When it's going well, when they are making profitable trades, they're super happy, it's going amazing. But when they take a loss, when they get into a drawdown, they just move away instead of still being happy, instead of still trying, to find a solution to the problem, instead of still trying to just get better from that, guys. So it's really, really important that you develop this kind of mindset and this kind of attitude and this kind of relationship with the market. There's no other way around it. Like, if you are going to be trading for the next couple of months or the next couple of years, I hope that you are synchronized with this, otherwise it will be a terrible experience. If you want to do this full time, if you want to get good results, if you want to make a lot of money, like your favorite, Instagram trader, well, you need to become synchronized with the market. You need to treat it like a business, and most of all, you need to enjoy the process, right? You need to just love the game. You need to love doing your analysis, love doing your backtesting, love taking good trades, love taking bad trades. It's all a process. It's a relationship. And so you need to love every part of it. You need to respect every part of it if you want to get good results. And so all of this comes down, as I said, to what I was talking about at the beginning of the video, having a good perspective. So you need to have a good perspective on life, on trading, on the results that you get, on your vision. The perspective needs to be correlated and synchronized with everything. And so it's a whole, right? It's not just life, it's not just trading, it's a whole, okay, where you put everything together and everything blends around and eventually comes back to trading and gives you good result. What I'm really trying to explain you guys is that you need to live with trading, okay? You need to make trading part of your life on a day-to-day basis. It's not just a hobby, it's not just a game or something that you do on the side to generate another income. No, it has to be with your life. It has to be part of your day-to-day basis, just like brushing your teeth is, or just like taking a shower. It has to be part of you, right? You need to be synchronized with it. You need to take all your energy and make it align with your goals and with your trading. And so when you develop this kind of positive attitude, I'm telling you guys, it changes everything.